Should I come straight on the price? That what is it? सबको product समझ में आ गया? Got the product.
but लिखेगा किस पे आप?
So all of these things, then I said it is a fragmented ecosystem. You buy TV separately, you buy dish TV or a cable or contents, everything separately. We have combined all of them into one. So this is going to come on our own TV. I don't want to call it TV. It's a smart screen. So our own smart screen is called Door Smart Screen or a Door TV. Just getting the cue.
Yeah.
This is the next one. It says this is blank right now.
Yeah.
Okay. So of course, all these smart screens are going to come in different sizes. We have, the popular one at 43. Then we'll have a 55, and then we will also have a 65 inches.
Wow.
Yeah. So all those screens will be there. And then before I go into all these screens, so all these apps, what we have been discussing, they will all just get combined, and then probably you'll be able to access all these apps into one, which is, the DoorOS.
That's a lot, yeah. It's a lot of apps. I'm very impressed. This guy likes Frankfurt stuff there. So, what are, all of these apps are available?
मेरे को ऐसा लगा मैंने इतना सारा पहले बोले तो अच्छा हाँ yes बोलना है.
बोल दिया मैंने. So all this is available on the TV. Yeah.
Of course, all this becomes Door.
Yeah.
And then the whole idea is that how much do you subscribe to? So what is the cost for all these apps?
Absolutely.
So if you have all these apps, what exactly is going to cost me?
24 plus OTTs. Yeah.
And why it's plus OTT? Because every month, week, new apps will keep on coming in. So we are not thinking about today. Next 4 years, what is going to happen? Some regional apps will come. A lot of things are going to come up.
Yeah.
So if you get that, if you see the price what we have calculated, if you take the subscription of all this, is around 1473 rupees per month.
Wow. That's a totally, it's good math.
Right. So let me just check with our team. Are we giving away the price of all the subscription right now here? Yes or no?
But you have to still add the TV.
Yeah.
I forgot about TV.
By the way, a lot of people here are like, we don't even know these OTTs, we're just stealing other people's passwords and using them. Yeah, this guy, look at him, he knows he's not.
See, we have limited time, so we are just discussing. But I will tell you so many problems which comes in जो सुना ही नहीं है. Like 3 weeks back, I should not name, but I had a card, Citibank, which got acquired by Axis now.
Yeah.
So उनके rules regulations अलग है. So मेरा YouTube का किसी चैनल का सब्सक्रिप्शन था ऑटोमेटिक हो जाता है. That is in dollars.
Yeah.
So वो सब्सक्रिप्शन दिया होगा और वो डॉलर्स का देख के उन्होंने उसको ब्लॉक कर दिया. $5 या $8. Suspicious transaction, block.
Suspicious transaction.
Block. And then I was with my family in Singapore, and we took an Uber to go to some place. And then because no local currency, I had to pay my card.
Yeah.
वो कार्ड नहीं चला वहाँ पे.
अरे.
Because ये YouTube Music के चक्कर में कार्ड सस्पेंशन में चला गया. And कुछ नहीं था, वो करेंसी थोड़ी थी लोकल, कार्ड ही था. क्या भाई इंडिया में तो हम UPI से पे कर देते हैं.
Right.
कुछ नहीं, शरीफ आदमी था, ठीक है बोल रहा मैं क्या बोलूँ.
हाँ.
Right? So these are the perils of having so many apps and so many subscriptions.
तो फिर एंड में हुआ क्या, मतलब आपने उबर को कुछ दिया कि नहीं?
यार $5-6 पड़े थे, मैंने कहा भाई साहब ये रखो और क्या मतलब कैसे करा, वो भी क्या करे, थोड़ी ले जाता.
गूगल कर लेते आपको, then you would have tweeted to the leg spinner, brother you owe me money. So like that's true, because all these subscriptions you get very confused कि कहाँ पर कौन सा है and all that. It's very confusing to get all of them under one brand.
And of course all as we mentioned about 300 channels, so everything is there. So these 300 channels, if you take any subscription, cable TV or a dish TV, that will cost you what? Let's say around 300 rupees a month.
Yeah.
Minimum.
At least, yeah.
हमने सस्ते वाले प्लान रखा है, वो ऐसा नहीं महंगे वाले दिखा के फिर सस्ते वाला दिखाएं. This is the cheapest what you can get.
Entry level.
Yeah. So if you combine both of them, the price is around 1,800 rupees a month, right? So everything all put together will come, but before that, as I said, in our Sidhuji style, Coco Tali, which is Tali Jata. 10% का डिस्काउंट दूंगा एक ताली का.
हाँ. I think we should ठोको ताली गुरु. करेंगे. ठोको ताली गुरु.
Everything at 799 rupees a month. So all the OTT apps, all TVs, everything you just have to pay 799 rupees a month, and that's it. And but it doesn't end here because then we need to have a complete offering.
हाँ जी.
And so we're not just offering the apps or this, we are just, as I said, offering the whole ecosystem. So coming back on our TVs, because you also have that TV ecosystem, which I don't want to call it TV, smart screen.
Smart screen.
Yeah. So as we said, we have 43, 55 and 65. These are the three, and we'll keep on adding because there will be different form factors which will keep on coming in. But let's just have a look at that. If you buy the TV, that what are the features, like what sort of smart screen people are going to get. So it's going to be a QLED, 4K of course with Ultra HD, or Dolby supported. Or we have a tie-up with Dolby here. Of course, comes with a door operating system.
Oh,
and you can see solar remote, maybe probably one of the first solar remote out here.
I think so. I think Samsung has one as well. Yeah, solar remote.
क्या प्राइस है उसका टीवी? कितना? 80,000.
Yeah. He's done research in that.
80,000 के लिए वो टीवी खरीदोगे या रिमोट के लिए टीवी खरीदोगे?
दोनों चलेगा.
So no, but you get, as I said, the whole idea is that these are all top of the line features what you are going to get. It's not like a subpar experience. It's at all top of the line experience. And as I said, with this sort of remote, you don't have to charge.
Yeah. Yeah, and solar means it charges with any light, any kind of light, any light.
Any light.
Could be tube light, could be, you could use Happy Tenth and use your teeth on it to do work.
आगे लोग अपने मोबाइल का फ्लैश लेके So yeah, it comes along with all these features, which as I said is top of the line feature. And let's just quickly compare the pricing at what exactly the pricing these products are available in the market. You see QLED TV, this Samsung at 50,000 rupees with QLED 4K, UHD. Sony does not have a QLED. LG they don't have a QLED. There is Xiaomi at 35,000 rupees. So well, if you see the features, well in the range of 54, let's say 1,000 to 35,000. So that's the range basically we're talking about, right? So Anuj, are you going to Romil, are you going to reveal the price right now?
55.
अच्छा, उनके भी फीचर दिखाने? Similar ही होंगे या नहीं? Alright. With the 55 again, if you see all the features for QLED TVs, 65,000 to 50,000 rupees. That's the price range.
Yeah.
Right. And very similarly, for 65 inches, a lakh rupees. So LG is at 150. They are killing it. Killing it, yeah. Okay, Samsung 99 is not QLED. It's not even QLED. That's fine. That's a statement. That is solar remote देखो.
हाँ.
वो 1.5 लाख रुपए भी नहीं. So certainly yes, you're going to get all these offerings out there. But of course, there's more to it. That's not all. All these things actually comes along with an always connected mobile phone app. So if you're watching something, for example, you're watching a movie on your TV, and next day आपने movie आधे में छोड़ दिया है. Next day you're going, let's say, on a train from Delhi to, or let's say Mumbai to Ahmedabad, and you can watch the movie from जहाँ पे TV में आपने छोड़ा था वहीं से you can continue watching on your phone.
Wow.
This is not India's first, sir. This is world's first. Nobody has done something like this. So, app, and that app you can download on 5 different devices.
Wow.
Okay. So 5 devices, 5 apps will work on. So in a family, 5 people can download it. I love RKJ. उन्होंने ताली बजानी स्टार्ट की। भाई कुछ सीखो। पहली बार हो रहा है ये।
उनकी फैमिली में 5 लोग हैं इसलिए।
But of course, so along with the TV, smart screen, the app will also come along, so you can download that.
अभी मेन चीज।
Price.
अच्छा नहीं हाँ।
Yeah, one more thing.
उसके
ये खत्म हो गया देखो।
चलो एक और चीज। One more thing आ गया।
Again, first in its class, guys. One year of warranty. Here it is 4 years of warranty.
Wow.
Right? But again, the gravy on top is 4 years of update on TVs. Nobody gives 4 years of update. This means to say 3 साल के बाद ही आपका दोस्त आएगा बोलेगा आप पुराना टीवी यूज कर रहे हो. No, your TV is going. It will keep on updating every quarter.
Wow.
So you will keep on getting updates for 4 years. So 4 साल तक TV नया रहेगा. You do not have to change it unless you decide I have to change the form factor.
Right.
Which is अगर आपने 43 लिया उसके बाद if you have to change it to 65, please let us know.
Super. That's amazing. Come on, round of applause. Quick calculation.
Yeah.
पर अभी सब कुछ बता दिया आपने. अभी मेन चीज सब कुछ सब कुछ है. तो कितने का मिलेगा सर ये बता दें.
Summarizing. 24 apps, 300 TV channels, total 1800 rupees का जो आता है, which is coming at 799, and of course, yeah, along with app,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
On your phones, 5 phones, along with a smart screen, let's say a TV.
Yeah.
छोटा सा रिमोट भी बना हुआ है सोलर वाला, right? So for let's say a 43 inches, guys, what do you think the price should be? As I said, I've already shown you the range.
Guess करो ना नंबर बता दो. What do you think it should be?
I'd see. Otherwise, I will go and maybe pick up someone.
Okay, saying 30,000. I heard 30,000.
30,000 somebody said it right.
30,000. सर ये हर ये सब्सक्रिप्शन भी है, टीवी चैनल भी सब कुछ है. नॉर्मल टीवी आपको 35,000 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है.
14. I feel like this is becoming the IPL option now.
60,000.
60,000.
सर आशीर्वाद.
70 आ गए.
60, 70, but somebody started from let's say 30.
30 हाँ.
Right, with all these features and everything. So I'm going to reveal the price, guys. But as I said, if you clap, it will give us energy. We'll put that screen at your home. You just pay $7.99. Everything will work seamlessly. That's it. That's why we were saying that TV got killed. You actually don't need to have.
Yeah.
Once you have this, the experience is completely different.
Yeah.
And this is happening first time, starting from our country, guys. So I think.
का 25 है.
मेरा मोमेंटम खराब करा दिया. मेरे को इस पे ताली बजा के कहीं निकालना था, but
Do it on 60.
this is a yeah.
65
So this is a product of 55 inches, which मैं यहाँ पे बोलता तो 1 लाख रुपए की होते लोग,
हाँ
but a 55 inches will come at 6999 only.
अभी लास्ट वाला बाकी है।
हाँ लास्ट वाला बाकी है.
799 हर महीने भरना है उसके साथ ना
With 1.5 lakh rupees, a solar remote आ रहा था. Yeah, and 65 is a good form factor, right? So let's give and take 80-90,000 से लेके 1.5 lakh rupees. That's the range for 65 inches, right? So guys, one last time. After this, I'm not going to ask you to clap, but this requires to build the momentum. Just take, let's say activation fees and then $799 per month and you're done.
मार्केट में आ गया
So I think this is a true disruption in this space. It is not only a disruption only on the hardware, as I said. Streambox is a software company, it's a platform company. So it's a combination of software with hardware, and hence the result is in front of you.
That's amazing. Round of applause. Thank you. तो मेरा क्रेडिट कार्ड तैयार है, आप बताओ कितना है पेमेंट? This is the every house. How many people are excited by this? Genuinely, yeah, amazing.
फ्लिपकार्ट पे अवेलेबल
This
है
will be available on Flipkart.
हाँ जी.
All of you can go and buy from 1st of December.
हाँ जी.
The sale will be live, and you can enjoy a seamless experience on all the content apps and the so-called TV is there, smart screen.
हाँ.
You can buy and have it at your home. So guys, 1st of December and available on all apps. That's it. Is there any other slide for me? Right, that's it.
Just want
Yeah,
lot of partners
Lot of
around there.
Yeah.
And get
Before you go on to the partners, मेरे को ताली में मजा नहीं आया बहुत
हाँ,
ज्यादा.
थोड़ा